notice that your child can trace a letter on the paper perfectly, but later, when you point to that same letter in a book, they don't recognize it? That's not because they're not trying. It's because worksheets alone don't help kids understand and remember letters. Today, I'm going to explain why creative hands-on learning actually works so much better and how you can start learning it at home. Children learn best when they use more than one sense at a time. That's called multisensory learning. When kids can see, touch, and even create something, their brains make stronger connections. So instead of just seeing a flat letter on the page, they're painting, shaping, and saying it out loud. Each of these layers of experience reinforces memory. That's why the child who paints the letter A as an apple, for example, is much more likely to remember it than a child who only traced it 5 times on a worksheet. Here's something else we don't always think about. It's confidence. Worksheets sometimes can feel like a test. And when child gets frustrated, they start believing, I cannot do this, I'm not good enough, and so on. But creative learning feels like a play. When they build, paint, create, there's no wrong way. It's all about trying, exploring, and enjoying the process. That shift makes a huge difference. A child who is engaged and proud of their work wants to keep learning. And that positive momentum is what builds consistency, which is what really leads to mastery. Creative learning also sticks because it creates stories in the brain. When your child paints letter A as apples, they remember not just the letter, but the experience, what it looked like, how the paint felt, even how proud they were showing you the finished page. This is why kids can recall letters they painted or created much faster than ones they've only traced. They have memory attached to it, and memory is the foundation of learning. So while worksheets are still useful, they help with practice and fine motor skills, they can't do it all. Pairing worksheets with creative, hands-on learning is what makes alphabet practice effective. It's the combination that helps kids recognize, remember, and use letters confidently. In the next video, I will take you through another step-by-step painting activity. This time, we will paint letter C as a cactus. It's a fun, simple project that your child will love. And it's another chance to see creative learning in action. So get your paints ready, and I will see you there.